from maintaining your blood sugar level to giving you a glowing skin. Bitter gourds may do wonder to your body. In this video, we will learn how to grow bitter gourds from seeds. As the seed coat of bitter gourd is quite hard, we need to soak it for 24 hours to get better germination rate. After 24 hours, sow them in the ground at 1 inch depth. It may take 7 to 14 days to germinate. Bitter gourds need plenty of sunshine and lots of water. So the best season to grow bitter gourd is late summers. Bitter gourd is a climber plant, so make sure you use a support to help it climb. You may use a trellis at later stages, but at initial stages a stick is enough. Make sure that your plant gets enough water. Water it every day or water it when the soil feels dry. Also make sure that you fertilize your plant every 15 days. You may use any fertilizer of your choice, either organic or inorganic. I personally use both organic and inorganic fertilizers alternately. The organic fertilizer which I use is liquid seaweed fertilizer and the inorganic one is NPK 19-19-19. Here's the first male flower bud, nearly 4 to 5 weeks after germination. Here is our first female flower bud. Now the question arises that how do we know that it is a male flower bud or a female flower bud? It is simple. You may notice a pre-formed gourd-like structure under the female flower which is absent below the male flower. This is the picture of full-bloomed male flower and next to it is a full-bloomed female flower. The male flower to female flower ratio in bitter gourd is high, which means there will be more number of male flowers than female flowers. To reduce the ratio, we should pinch the tip portion of vine, which will result in more branches and a dense plant, which in turn will result in more female flowers and ultimately more gourds. Finally, it's ready to be eaten. So this is how I made a DIY trellis in which I used 2 sticks and tied a plastic string in horizontal pattern so that the vines could spread. 2 weeks after your first flower bloom, you will get your first harvest, and in a week or so, you can harvest nearly 2 to 4 bitter gourds per day. Isn't that great? As bitter gourd is a perennial vegetable, you could grow it at any time of the year. But if the climate of your locality is too cold, wait for the warmer season to arrive. There might be some ants on your plant, but it's totally fine. In fact, the ants will help to pollinate your flowers. Trust me, the struggle is real. Finally. You may encounter a problem of premature fruit drop, which is due to absence of pollination. That is, your female flower is not pollinated. This could be because there are not enough pollinators around you. So you may hand pollinate the flower by gently rubbing a male flower over your female flower. Okay, so that is it. Hope you liked the video. My name is Vishal and thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be back with another video. Till then, stay healthy.